We are heading over to the spa for a couples massage, and I think our special also had a mini facial involved.
Yeah.
Is that right? Yeah. And hydrotherapy. So we are for sure going to vlog the hydrotherapy for you. Today we're going to take you through our hydrotherapy experience. This is meant to be a very relaxing and serene journey. You're going to go through different temperatures, from a hot sauna to a cold shower, a steam room, and even an ice room. You're going to experience different jacuzzis and pools, all with varying temperatures and different jets. And the experience is supposed to relax the muscles before your treatment. Come enjoy this with us.
Please be careful to enter. We have the slippery floor.
Okay, thank you.
Enjoy it.
This is your favorite, like Vicks.
It does smell like Vicks.
All over body. Put in all over body, okay? Try it. I come back with your towels. I have your towels.
Thank you.
You go first.
Okay, next up is ice therapy, and you're supposed to put this all over your body. I think just sticking with my arms is fine. I don't think I need to do my whole body.
Okay? This is a cool towel for cover your face. This towel helps you in the hot, over the hot, okay? Take a towel, sir. And the big towel is for lay down or take a seat.
Thank you so
Would
much.
you like 5 minutes again?
Yes. Thank you. Okay, third step is we are in the sauna, and we're gonna lay down on our towels. We're gonna put a cold towel on our face.
This is a cold tea. It's a red fruit with coconut and hibiscus.
Thank you.
It's a free sugar, okay?
Okay, thank you. For this experience, you're going to have a guide. They're going to walk you through what to expect, where you're going to go next. For most of the experiences, you're going to be in each place for 5 to 10 minutes, but don't worry, they keep track of the time and they move you along. So looks like the first body of water is like room temperature water. So we got like some jets and stuff for our backs, but it's just room temp, as I said. This pool is much warmer. This is a hot tub.
Ooh, it's cold. I think we're just going for a dip.
Here it's only in and out. Very fast.
Yeah, it's
Submerge.
cold. Submerge.
Go.
Submerge. It's like icicles on your legs. Oh my god.
This is the last one. Is a big cool or cool sensations. We have different jets with different pressures around. Okay? Do you have any questions?
Okay,
Enjoy.
thank you. My best recommendation is to try to do the hydrotherapy early. We always book the first massage time. That way our chances of doing hydrotherapy alone is very high.
That cold plunge was really cold. Sometimes I'll do it and I'll really submerge myself. That was like icicles. I just was not feeling like it. And the pool that we're in now, I would say, is about room temperature, and they have all the other water features that we can go through and kind of do our shoulders and stuff. That's what it looks like over here, all the different pressures. Gorgeous in here.
Yeah.
Getting my feet massaged. Woo, it's really coming up now. So it looks like all along the wall there's different buttons with different, ooh, it's really getting going now. I'm walking on rocks.
How's it feel?
It's okay. It's nice. See what this one's going to be over here. I don't know what's going to turn on.
Is it that?
Well, I think that's that button over there. Some of them take like a minute to kick on. So you're supposed to come like 90 minutes before your service to do the hydrotherapy. You could also split it up and do like half before and half after, or you could do it all after. Or you don't have to do the hydrotherapy at all, but it's just so beautiful.
All throughout this section, you're on your own to wander and explore around the water features. The guide did tell us where we could find him and also where our shoes, towel, and robe would be in case we wanted to get out and just relax on a chair.
Hi for your back. High pressure, that's for sure.
Like feet ones best. I like, you know, this one that kind of bubbles your whole body, and then the next one is where you walk across the rocks. I don't love the ones that are like beating on your shoulder. I don't really like strong pressure like that. And then the water's flying everywhere. Like, I like a little more cash. Hydrotherapy was included with our service, but if you're not going to get a massage or a spa service, you could buy it separately. I'm not going to say a price because prices are always subject to change, and you don't have to do it for 90 minutes. You can do it for shorter. It just is going to be the amount of time you're going to spend at each location would be shorter. We're going to go do our massage now. If you have any questions, drop them down below.
We really enjoyed our massage and our facial, and I highly recommend going to the spa if it's in your budget. It is just so gorgeous. And then after your treatment, they invite you into the relaxation room to have a snack, water, tea, whatever you're interested in. And we always choose to sit for just a few minutes and reflect and relax before going out back into the resort. massage is over. It was really good. We're just sitting over in the relaxation room. They brought us a little, I think it was strawberry kiwi tea. I think everything was good. My only sort of complaint is our treatment room was right near the hydrotherapy area, right by the hot tub and the cold plunge. So I think when people were in there, they were talking amongst themselves. It seems like maybe there was a group, and then when they got into the cold plunge, they were screaming. So that was like a little disruptive. But aside from that, I think it was good. I think this is a beautiful spa, both in the hydrotherapy area and in the treatment rooms. Probably some of the most beautiful spas that we've been to, and the massage was good. Resort spa treatments are always going to be more expensive than if you went at home, but I do think it's nice for the experience. And when you arrive to a resort, you can always ask if they're offering any specials and see if you can get a discount that way. But I do think that the spot was worth it, and it's just so beautiful here. I just love all the caves. If you're not ready to end the spa experience, you can go into the sauna that is in the locker room, and you can just continue on with your relaxing experience. There are tons of lockers, and when you first arrive to the spa, they're going to show you how to use these and how to set your own personal code so that your belongings are safe during your experience. If you did get a massage, I highly recommend you shower at the spa before leaving. I always double or triple cleanse because the oil will cause you to burn as soon as you go out into the beautiful sunshine. They are going to provide shampoo, conditioner, and body wash to you. And then they also do a ton of other amenities available at the spa. They have things like toothbrush, toothpaste, a razor, shaving cream, deodorant, some feminine hygiene products, pretty much anything you need. Well, that's going to do it for our spa day. I hope if you have never done hydrotherapy before that this was helpful to you. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and leave them down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.